Township Entrepreneurs Stories is a web series proudly brought to you by T. We profile small businesses nationwide that are providing services and products ekasi.
Hi, my name is Karabo Mehlape, Admin and Logistic Officer from Smart Detergents. We are located at Mens Mankweng under Polokwane. Our company started during 2019 during COVID. We started the company to manufacture and produce cleaning products for households, offices, as well as washing detergents. We manufacture pine gels, bubble bath, we have handy creams, we have thick bleach, floor polish, we have tile cleaner and multi-purpose cleaners. Our products simplify cleaning for households because they tackle grease, they tackle grime and all sort of turf debts. Our products are available nationwide through courier. You can find us on our social media platforms. We are on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. On Facebook, we are Smart Detergents. Twitter and Instagram, we are Smart_Detergents01. And you can also find us on WhatsApp on 060-645-3997. Hi, my name is Karabo Mehlape, and I'm a township entrepreneur.